PureGenomics examines the relationships between genes, nutrition, and health. The goal of PureGenomics is to guide more precise nutritional support on the basis of genetic makeup. In this tutorial, we'll walk through some basic terms and concepts that will help you interpret and apply PureGenomics test results with confidence. First, let's define a few important terms. A trait, also known as a phenotype, is the physical characteristic associated with a specific genotype. Traits include hair color, height, and blood type. PureGenomics focuses on modifiable traits that respond to diet and lifestyle. A risk variant is a genotype where a specific action, such as a dietary or lifestyle modification, may improve health. A risk variant does not necessarily mean that nutritional or lifestyle support is needed. Further testing can help you confirm the need for nutritional support. Refer to the assessment recommendations for testing methods and reference ranges. Other insights you obtain from a complete patient evaluation should also help you decide whether action is needed. You may find that genetic results validate the impressions and ideas you already had. For many traits, multiple supplement options are listed. Dietary intake assessments and further lab testing can help guide your selection and decide on proper dosage. Genetic test reports typically provide more information than you will need for a given patient case. There are 4 ways you can prioritize and simplify what recommendations you decide to give to each patient. First, start with foundational nutrients by reviewing the vitamin, mineral, and omega-3 category. Reviewing this category first will help you identify any basic nutritional gaps. Secondly, focus on categories that align with pre-existing priorities for the patient, such as weight management or gastrointestinal health. Asking questions during the patient evaluation will help you pinpoint the findings that are most informative and valuable. For example, a simple question about snacking habits will help you decide whether to emphasize the MC4R result or skip this result altogether. Finally, consider the strength of the supporting evidence. A good rule of thumb is to focus on SNPs with higher scientific evidence ratings. This way, you can be more confident in the link between genotype and phenotype. Now you're ready to go. You have the essential knowledge to interpret nutrigenomic test results and successfully apply them in everyday practice.